Hey everybody! So today I just have this canvas that I bought from the dollar store, and that's an 8 by 10, and I'm going to go ahead and paint that, and that will be the first step of what I'm making today. This is going to be a combination between paint and resin for this piece. So for right now I'm just going to use some green with white mixed.
Through the endless sky, chasing dreams where the stars collide. Clouds beneath feel like velvet sheets, the rhythm of freedom in my heartbeat. Soar like the eagle, high and free. The whole wide world belongs to me. Through the winds and over the streams, I'll rise above and chase my dreams. Golden rays paint the morning bright. Horizon calls in its glowing light. Every gust I'll ride it strong. The anthem of life is where I belong. Soar like the eagle, high and free. The whole wide world belongs to me. Through the winds and over the streams, I'll rise above and chase my dreams. No chains, no ties can hold me down. Each breath I take, I wear the crown. Through twists and turns, I'll find the way. Tomorrow is just a fly away. Soar like the eagle, high and free. The whole wide world belongs to me. Through the winds and over the streams, I'll rise above and chase my dreams. Golden rays paint the morning bright. Horizon calls in its glow.
Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some polyurethane resin, and I'm going to fill up this eagle mold.
The anthem of life is where I belong. Soar like the eagle, high and free. The whole wide world belongs to me. Through the winds and over the streams, I'll rise above and chase my dreams.
Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and demold this. It's still a little warm, but it's been long enough so that I can take it out of the mold. So that looks really pretty. That was super easy. Okay, so I am just going to paint this. I'm going to get his feet yellow, and his beak I just did yellow. So I just have acrylic markers. And I want to get anywhere you're going to be able to see from the front, because I want to attach this to my painting. See if I can just draw a mountain here. here. There. The mountains. Okay, let's just see how this will look if I pick out the center trees. I got a lot of trees that I'd made, so, and I could just stick this down, hopefully. Let's see. Let's just see how that looks. If I just, let's put this guy to the side again. And can just do that. And I'm just going to color it in. I don't know, we'll see how it comes out, but I don't know if I want to do black. I'll just try to do green to start. I don't need the fine. Let's just see how that looks. Yeah, perfect actually. Reverse cricket. Okay, let's see how that came out. Perfect. Okay. Just kind of make another tree over here. Okay. There we go. So easy. Okay.
Wings stretch wide through the endless sky, chasing dreams where the stars collide. Clouds beneath feel like velvet sheets, the rhythm of freedom in my heartbeat. Soar like the eagle high and free, the whole wide world belongs to me. Through the winds and over the streams, I'll rise above and chase my dreams. Golden rays paint the morning bright, horizon calls in its glowing light. Every gust, I'll ride it strong, the anthem of life is where I belong. Soar like the eagle high and free, the whole wide world belongs to me. Through the winds and over the streams, I'll rise above and chase my dreams. chains, no ties can hold me down. Each breath I take, I wear the crown. Through twists and turns, I'll find the way. Tomorrow is just a flight away. Soar like the eagle, high and free. The whole wide world belongs to me. Through the winds and over the streams, I'll rise above and chase my dreams. No chains, no ties can hold me down. No chains, no ties can hold me down. Each breath I take, I wear the crown. No chains, no ties can hold me down. Each breath I take, I'll wear the crown. Through twists and turns, I'll find the way. Tomorrow is just a flight away.
Here's the piece hanging on my wall. I do think it came out very nice. With that second coat of resin, I was able to get rid of the fish eyes. And I really love how it came out. I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I do appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day.